Coupons are fine, but what do you do when you have more advanced discounting needs, such as maybe you want to have a sale on all the products in a certain category, or maybe you want to have a buy one, get one free offer, or maybe you want to actually add a fee to an order, perhaps when they use a credit card or a certain payment gateway. That's what dynamic pricing is, and it's a unique feature inside of SureCart that I'm going to show you how to use right now in this video. To create a dynamic price, head over to the SureCart dashboard on your WordPress website. Click over here on the left where it says Promotions, and then underneath it, there's an option here for dynamic pricing. Then click on Add New to create a new dynamic price. And what we'll do is we'll give it a name, and this is going to be the internal name. So when you see a list of dynamic prices that you've created, you'll be able to identify it. Then there's the display name, and this is what will show on the actual order for the offer or for the fee when someone checks out. Now, here we have some recipes for you. We wanted to show you just some of the common things that you may want to use this feature for, but you can also start from scratch. And I'll show you when I use one of these recipes right now, how it's built, and that will truly unlock the power of dynamic pricing in your business and open your mind to the different use cases you'll now be able to do. So it could be simple things like buy one, get one free, and it could be more sophisticated pricing like members only discounts or wholesale pricing for certain buyers or first time customer discounts on the first purchase that your customer makes. It's a truly powerful tool. So I'm going to go ahead and put a name and a display name in here. So I've named this chair mat BOGO. That's a product inside this store, a chair mat. BOGO stands for buy one, get one, but I don't want to put that in view of the customer because they might not know what that means. So they're going to see buy one, get one free. Let's set this up. I'm going to choose buy one, get one right here, and I'm going to click on continue. And now let's go through some of the options that we have here and configure this for that product. So we see the two things that I put in, chair mat and buy one, get one free. Next, we have where it says price type. Is this going to be adding a discount or is this going to be adding a fee? You can do both. And then how do you want to calculate it? Is it going to be a percentage or a fixed amount? So for buy one, get one free, the buyer's going to need to add two to their cart, and it's going to take 50% off, which essentially lets them pay for one and get the other one for free. So that's why it's configured this way. And then you get to choose the conditions of when this discount or fee is automatically done. So out of the box for this recipe, it'll say quantity is 2, right? Buy one, get one free. So this will kick in when there's 2 of them added to the cart. Now we just need to extend the condition to have it apply to this particular product. So I'll click on and then I'll click where it says select an attribute. And these are the targeting rules of the situation that you want to apply this fee or discount to. So I already have it set to quantity. I also want it set to a specific product. So I'll scroll down right here and you see it says product right here, product name. I'll choose that. Now the condition is it going to be an exact match? Does it contain? So I'm going to choose is, and then right here I'm going to enter the name of the product, which is chair mat. And now I've got my conditions set how I want it. Now over here on the right, you can set a schedule for this discount. So this would be a start date and an end date if you wanted to add an end date right here. I'll just leave these as is. What'll be really nice about this though, the next Black Friday coming up this year, you'll be able to just schedule this store-wide discount. If you want to discount everything or all of your discounts, you can just schedule them and they'll automatically go into place. Okay, I have this set up how I want. I'm going to click on Save and Publish. and then I'll click on dynamic pricing here, and you can see I've just created my first dynamic price. And if at any time I wanted to disable this and not have it go into effect, or maybe I'm creating it but I'm not ready to have it go live, the status here, I can toggle this off and then it won't go live. So now we just need to go to that product page and test it to see it working. Here I am on the product page, and I had fun making this video with one of the AI models. If you didn't know, you can add videos with autoplay and lots of different options to the media gallery that we have for product pages. And I added this beautiful video because it's so easy now to add them. Okay, I'm going to change the quantity to 2. I'm going to click Add to Cart. And you can see right there, the cost of 1 is $69. So the cost of 2, $138, but there's a buy one, get one free promotion that's automatically applied. And you can see right here, it's taking $69 off. And it has that note that I put in when I created the dynamic price. It says buy one, get one free. I could have put anything I wanted to put there, and this will also show in the order. Now, I've spent the last 5 minutes explaining how this feature works, and together we created our first dynamic price. And in the coming days, we'll have multiple videos showing you specific use cases on what you can do with this feature to accomplish whatever discounting that you want to do or adding of a fee that you want to do. There is so much in this feature with all of the different conditions to target the exact right product, the exact right checkout for all of these different parameters. And it's all quite easy once you get used to it, but we'll have videos here on the channel showing you the specific use cases that you can now accomplish with dynamic pricing. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. And if you can give this video a thumbs up, it would mean a lot to the team. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.